Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. More Jamaicans say they've benefited from the increased construction across the island, with one construction company claiming that local business is so good it doesn't need to look to exports. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
As at January this year, 107,900 Jamaicans were reported to have found work in the construction industry. That's 4,200 more persons than were reported by Statin in July last year. It's a result of several infrastructural and construction projects currently underway all over the island. Among them, thousands of new hotel rooms for the tourist industry, major road rehabilitation projects, new houses being built by the National Housing Trust, and a slew of commercial buildings being erected by private investors for business process outsourcing. The increased construction activities have resulted in the industry expanding by 3.5%. That expansion has also boosted sales for Carib Cement, forcing the company to pull back from the export market.
And we need to use export as a buffer to place any cement we cannot sell locally.
It's a change from the strategy adopted a few years ago when the local market appeared hostile to Carib Cement, forcing it to offload excess production in export markets. But with a booming construction sector, things have changed.
We were planning to resume exports in the first semester this year. And the good news is we're not going to resume exports the first semester this year because the market is growing. So that's a very good reason why not to resume exports.
So significant benefits for a company like Carib Cement, but they aren't the only ones benefiting from this construction boom. Construction workers here at Hagley Park Road also attest to the impact the boom is having on their lives.
The money part, alright, nothing wrong with the money part.
This job is a source of income. Have more money in your pocket and you can save more. You can be able to pay your bills and stuff like that. You understand? And you can be comfortable.
In the meantime, Carib Cement admitted that the construction boom is not the only reason it is pulling back from the export market. General Manager for Carib Cement, Peter Donkersloot, says exporting requires additional fees and other unwanted expenses.
Exports are not going to be the game changer that some people think. Exports are very good if you need foreign currency. Exports are very good, but exports have not necessarily the best margins because you need to contemplate freights, transportation costs into the ship, insurance, and other costs that related to the product.
Carib Cement currently has about 90 to 95% of the cement market in Jamaica. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $131.35. The Canadian dollar is going for $98.43. It now costs $165.56 for the sterling, while the euro is selling for $148.94. And the JC index lost 5,161 points today, while the junior market index declined by 2 points. Among the winners were CAC 2000, Siboney Group, Fosrich, Pulse Investments, and Sterling Investments. On the losing side were Main Event Entertainment Group, JMMB Group 7.5%, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and SSL Venture Capital. That's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.